After getting beaten up in Banaras and Onam boat race in Kerala, I'm finally back home in Mumbai.
A city that's known for the glitz and the glamour, the people, the chaos, the madness, the traffic, and the massive buildings. But right here today, we're going to see a building that involves no bricks and no cement, only raw human strength. Welcome to Tap That!
My name is Abhijit Sarate. Since 4 years, I have been on the post of secretary in Ambika Seva Mandal. Since childhood, I was been in this mandal. This is our 7th-floor pyramid. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is the first time anybody in history actually achieved this feat. It's quite amazing. But I've never been this close to the Dahi Handi ceremony, and hopefully this year I'll be somewhere here or here, depending on how they think we can do.
Or maybe I could be there.
You could be there.
I could be there.
You should be there.
अंबिका सेवा मंडल, उसमें कोच हूँ मैं। 45-50 साल तक मेरे को हो गए उधर। ये फिटनेस अच्छा चाहिए। फिटनेस अगर होगा तो ये आदमी बच्चा उधर खड़ा रह सकता है, नहीं तो नहीं।
जिसके पास जिगर है, दम है, वही दहीहंडी खेल सकता है। जिसके पास दम नहीं, वो दहीहंडी नहीं खेल सकता।
And now we want to talk to the main man.
Whoa,
it's the handi breaker.
तो डर नहीं लगता ऊपर चढ़ने से कुछ?
नहीं।
तेरे फ्रेंड्स मतलब बोलते तेरे बारे में ऐसा कि तू हीरो है?
नहीं।
नहीं?
कुछ भी बोलते हैं आप। मैं एक बार में गिर गया तो सब डर गया, अभी नहीं डरता।
We have triple the amount of catchers than climbers. When there is someone to catch us, I get a faith that even if I fail, there is someone to catch me. It is like godly relation.
I was standing there like a curious kid, watching them just go up and down, with military precision at a scary speed.
Oh man, I can't believe they do it without harnesses. After this, I'm also going to try it out. They have to stand fully. Superb. Oh wow.
These are the basic trainings: how to climb, how to maintain your balance, how to sustain for 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes are more than enough for 7th floor to climb and get down.
Not just climbing up, it's climbing down also.
Climbing down is also tricky, man. Look at him. They just slide on top of each other.
Aman is a physically stout guy. He has got good physique, strong, good stamina. He can balance also very well. Our coaches are also very preparing on him.
जब हम लोग लेयर लगाते तो सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करते हैं कि वेट कैलकुलेशन। अगर सबसे हेवी वेट वाला जो रहता है उनको हम लोग नीचे रखते हैं और जो लाइट वेट है हम लोग ऊपर डालते हैं।
और ये नापतोल कैसे करते हैं? हाइट के हिसाब से या वजन?
हाइट के हिसाब से, वजन के हिसाब से, दोनों।
तो मेरा तो चांस मतलब नीचे ही है।
नीचे।
अच्छा।
अंबिका माते की ये बोलू नका रे कोणी ये पाय नीट ठेव रे बाप्या पाय तुझा नीट बसला नाही बापू
Watching them from the outside was lots more fun. This is just tough. I can feel the people going up and the weight on my shoulders continuously increasing.
हाँ, जिम्मेदारी तो है, उनको मार लगना नहीं चाहिए, उनके घर वाले का परमिशन लेना चाहिए।
This is different from both kushti or boat racing, one being a martial art and the other being a sport. Lots of precision, technique and practice is required. Whereas over here, it's just the sheer strength of your legs, back and shoulders that is being tested.
बहुत अच्छा है। हाँ, ये स्क्वाट जैसा ऐसे। सूरा कमर पे और पैर पे वजन लेने का।
Level 1 success. The captain has asked me to go up to level 2 now.
The second level is actually more tricky because you have to be in a continuous squat position, and at one point everybody goes up.
ये जरा खालचे लांब वर आहे, घेर पाको
दहीहंडी अगर खेलना है तो आपके थाइज में और शोल्डर में आपके स्ट्रेंथ होना जरूरी है। थाइज पे एक पाँव रख के दूसरा पैर आपको कंधे पे रखना है और ऊपर वाले को पकड़ के आपको ऊपर जाना है।
सब ठीक है भाई नीचे वाले, मुझे माफ करना, ज्यादा खा रहा हूँ आजकल। There is weight of about 5-6 guys on top. The second level where skill and flexibility start coming into play.
Level 2, success again. But after much deliberation, the captain decided, based on my weight and size, that I'm best suited to do the heavy lifting and put me back on level 1.
जिनको नीचे खड़ा रहना है वो हेल्दी होना चाहिए। दूसरी बात, उनके थाइज में और शोल्डर में स्ट्रेंथ होना चाहिए। और दूसरी बात है कि वो ज़्यादा कमर में झुक नहीं सकता, क्योंकि अगर वो ज़्यादा झुकता है तो ऊपर का जितना ही प्रेशर आता है वो कमर पे जाता है और ये इंजरी का कारण बन सकता है।
I felt like a throbbing pain coming down on the back of my throat. अभी फील हो रहा है थोड़ा, थोड़े टाइम में ठीक हो जाएगा। Weight was right here, it wasn't on my spine, and I hope this is not a problem tomorrow. I just don't want to let them down. I don't want to be a weak link in this team. Crazy environment. It's like a giant musical festival.
Urban is improving. The body language is not good, not good.
Here it's already giving lots of power from the beginning itself. So at the end he was getting tired.
बहुत ही crazy environment है. It's like a giant musical festival.